Hi. Hello. It's taken Amelia to sleep tonight, and it's the first night that I can remember in a very long time that I haven't had to stay in the room until Amelia falls asleep. Hello, little cutie. Who's the goodest boy? Who's the most perfect little boy in the whole wide world? You guys are just so adorable. Shall I just leave you here for a little bit? You have a little sleep and then you can go in your crate soon. We are quite big on crate training. I think it's quite good for a puppy to have like a space, especially when you've got children, that is theirs and only theirs. And that's their like safe space. And also it helps with toilet training, it does make it a bit easier because they don't like to go to the toilet where they have to sleep. So if it's in like a smaller space, they won't pee and poop there. So we do it for that reason as well. But yeah, we're big on crate training, but when you've got kids that want to take the little cute puppy to bed with them, you let it slide for a little bit and you pop them in their crate later on. You don't seem to mind the kids. They've not tired you out yet. Oh, are you coming off the bed? I think he's desperate for her to wake up. Look at him. Like, wake up, please. Wake up. He's trying to burrow under her arm while she's sleeping. What are you doing, little dude? Oh, she's moved. Oh, is he trying to get in her blanket? Kids will sleep through anything, seriously. He's like, wake up. Wake up, please. Oh, he likes a pillow. That's what it is. What are you thinking, little guy? Hmm? Oh, bless him. Right, come on. Bedtime. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Trouble. Turn right off. Let's go. And good night to Amelia. He's like, no, let me stay, please. Look. It's like, no, I must stay here with her.